Hey guys, made by BG44K BG GDI intake valve cleaner. So let's go ahead, jump in. I want to show you guys just how we're going to use this product. Also, we're going to be removing the carbon off of some intake valves, which I'm going to go inside the engine and show you just how bad these valves really are. Now, I've been waiting to test this stuff out for a while. I've heard a lot of great things about this product, and I'm going to show you. As you can see right here, we're going to use a giant sprayer. And so this product's made to be used several different ways. One way, you can take your spark plugs out, put an ounce in each spark plug hole, let it soak for 20 minutes or so, then come back, use a vacuum pump, suck all that stuff back out, run it for about 10 minutes on the highway. Now, as the instructions say right here, BG GDI intake valve removes sticky, heavy deposits from backs of valves in air intake systems of gasoline direct injection engines. Cleaning GDI intake valves requires a potent formula applied with proper equipment. Due to both the placement of the injector inside of the combustion chamber and the complexity of the intake design, sprayed directly into the intake. BG GDI intake valve cleaner restores fuel efficiency, engine performance, reduces harmful emissions, also effective for port fuel injected engines. Catalytic converter and oxygen sensor safe. So I want to make sure you guys know that. And directions for use states BG GDI intake valve cleaners is designed for use with BG VIA vehicle injection apparatus, following instructions provided with the tool. Warning, do not prolong contact with painted surfaces, etc., etc. Well, let's go ahead. We're going to add this to our giant sprayer. We're going to jump in and show you just how bad these valves really are. Alright guys, the first thing you want to do is make sure your vehicle is over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. You want the engine to be warmed up before using this product. It's basically the same as most other products. So it looks pretty clear from what I'm seeing here. Go ahead, pump our sprayer up. You want to go ahead and start your engine. As you can see, I've applied a piece of pipe between the seat and the pedal. You want to make sure to bring your RPMs up to about 2,500 or just a little more. Do not exceed 3,000 RPMs. Next up, you want to go ahead and move this air intake box, and always spray past the mass airflow sensor. You may not have a mass airflow sensor. You want to move your air filter also. You want to make sure that you spray in short bursts. Spray, wait a second or two, and spray again. Also, you want to extend your straw or wand, in this case, far close to the throttle plate without actually touching it. This will actually help out your spray pattern. I was only doing this so I could demonstrate where you can actually see the spray pattern. That's why I'm extending it outside. Alright guys, are we getting any exhaust smoke? Well, not quite yet. I'm surprised at that BG, that's for sure. I wasn't really expecting that much. Whew. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at these valves. But first, I just want to say, make sure you keep your hands away from any moving parts. I won't be responsible if you get your hand ripped off. Well, go ahead and install your air intake box and your filter, the reverse of how you had taken it out. Now, let's go ahead, use our bore scope, and we'll go inside the engine. Take a look at these valves. I want to show you what they look like before and after, and you're really going to be surprised at this. Guys, here we are at valve number 1, and this is the first observable valve, and you can see there's a lot of buildup. I had installed a catch can to try and protect the valves, and it's made a difference. But let's go ahead and move on to second observable valve. Well guys, here we are at the second observable valve. You really think BG can clean up this? I'm not so sure, but make sure you guys drop a line below. Let me know what you think. Do you think it'll actually work? And if you want to see your product put to the test, make sure you subscribe to the channel and comment below. Let me know what you want to see come up next. Let's move on to the third observable valve. Definitely a challenge ahead. Let's go ahead and move on to the fourth. Maybe it can help this valve. It's not as near as bad. Well, it's time for you guys to see the results. Will BG44K live up to its famous reputation? Can you see a difference? Did BG even help? Hey, don't leave just yet. You're really going to be surprised here in just a moment. Well guys, here we are at the second observable valve. I can definitely see some difference. Make sure you guys let me know what you think. Let's go ahead and move on to the third valve. Well guys, here we are at the third valve. I'm starting to notice something common going on here, so be sure to let me know what you think. Let's go ahead and move on to the fourth valve. The overall performance of BG, not too bad considering what I had to go up against. And as always guys, I want to thank you for watching Nate's Interactive Auto. Until next time, you guys get ready to get wrenching for the next upcoming video.